we were really the first ones to jump on the significance of the Brian Stowe beating and to recognize that this was really the tip of the iceberg, the most horrific incident, but of a number of incidents that have been playing out at Dodger Stadium over a period of time. And the increasing tolerance of gangbangers being in the crowd, the lack of security response to incidents as they escalated at the stadium. So I think it's really important that as this series of events continues to move forward, that we cover the story. In the case of the lawsuit that Brian Stowe's family has filed, they're charging very generally that the Dodgers have allowed over time a climate of violence and of fan harassment to grow at Dodger Stadium. But their attorney issued a statement saying that they've tried to do everything possible to reach out to Brian Stowe's family, to indicate how terrible they think this was, how badly they feel about it. But without going into specifics, the statement said that the Dodgers do intend to fight the contention that the team is in some way responsible for the criminal assault on Stowe. I take this really personally, and it's been very hard for me to watch what's happened at Dodger Stadium in recent years. I grew up going there, sitting in the bleacher seats because they were cheap, and I'd go with my friends. Our parents would drop us off at Dodger Stadium, and we kids would walk in and watch the games and then be picked up by one of the parents afterwards. So many kids can tell this story. So many people watching this right now can say, yeah, that was my experience of Dodger Stadium, just like that. Well, now we're seeing a totally different world at Dodger Stadium. The LAPD out in force. The fans' attendance has dropped off considerably. And a lot of this, I think, is a boycott of Frank McCourt's ownership. The Dodgers matter to Southern California a lot more than just a baseball team. It's a cultural institution. It's a way that we bring together all different classes, races, backgrounds of people together in a public place, ideally celebrating our team harmoniously. Maybe some good for Los Angeles can come out of the terrible thing he's had to endure by Dodger Stadium being returned to the families, to the baseball fans, to the law-abiding members of the community who want to feel safe to go there.